Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Building a website can feel overwhelming, but with AI tools the process is faster, smarter and more efficient. Today I am sharing 15 AI tools that can help you design, develop and optimize your website with ease. So let's get started. Number 1. Wix Artificial Design Intelligence. Wix ADI builds a fully functional website based on your answer to a few questions. It's a perfect for beginners. Second, Squarespace AI Builder. Squarespace uses AI to recommend layout, colors, and design tailored to your brand. Third, Hostinger AI Website Builder. Hostinger's AI Builder creates website with optimized content and SEO ready design in minutes. Fourth, 10Web AI Builder. 10Web uses AI to convert any existing website into a WordPress site or create one from scratch with ease. Fifth, Durable AI. Durable AI helps you build a business website in less than a minute, complete with templates and personalized text. Sixth, Elementor AI. Elementor's AI tool generates custom text and assets with layout design for WordPress sites. Seventh, Framer AI. Framer AI transforms with promotes into a live, responsive website in seconds, perfect for prototyping. 8th, Zyro AI Website Builder. Zyro combines AI tools for logo design, heat map analysis, and content generation to streamline your website creation process. 9th, Copy AI. Generate compelling website copy, headlines, and product description in seconds with Copy AI. 10th, ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to generate HTML, CSS, or JavaScript code for unique website feature and troubleshooting. 11th, UiZard. Turn sketches or wireframes into functional website prototypes with UiZard's AI. 12th, Figma's AI plugins. Figma's AI powered plugins like Autoflow and Remove BG make design tasks faster and more intuitive. 13th, OpenAI Codex. OpenAI Codex can generate complex code snippets for your website, saving hours of development time. 14th, Page Cloud AI. Page Cloud offers AI features like automated content creation and drag and drop editing for effortless website building. And last, 15th, WordTune. Polish and rewrite website content for maximum clarity and engagement using WordTune's AI assistant. And there you have it, 15 amazing AI tools to make website building a breeze. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. See you in the next time. Thank you for watching.